Over the last few years, artists have been disappointed to find out that some of their favorite colors have gone missing or been discontinued. Colors like quinacridone sienna, cobalt violet, quinacridone gold. Rest assured, it is not the art supply industry that is deleting your favorite pigments. Many people don't realize how small the art supply industry really is. Many of our pigments are produced by larger manufacturers, such as the automobile industry or the construction industry, and they determine what pigments enter the art world just by sheer volume. When they decide that orange or gold is no longer a beautiful car color, like harvest gold of the old refrigerators, they become unavailable to us. Rest assured, though, that we're working diligently to try to come up with new solutions to your favorite missing colors, and we'll have them as quickly as possible.